Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Talk. I'm Mia, and I'm so happy you're here with us today. This is your calm, friendly space to practice real everyday English.
And I'm Daniel. It always feels good sitting here with you all. If you're learning English and want to practice real conversations, you're in the right place.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe. It helps new learners find us, and it supports the channel so much.
Yes, thank you for doing that. And today, we're talking about something universal, something every human on the planet does.
We're talking about daily life, our routines, the little things that fill our days.
Morning routines, work routines, evening routines, even those small habits we don't really think about.
Routines are simple, but they're actually perfect for English practice.
Exactly. They use everyday vocabulary and natural expressions.
All right, let's begin at the start of the day, the morning, the moment the alarm rings.
Oh no, the alarm, my greatest enemy.
I knew you'd say that. You're really not a morning person, are you?
Not at all. I wake up, stare at the ceiling for a few seconds, and think, I need 10 more minutes to emotionally prepare for life.
10 minutes? You take at least 30.
Okay, maybe more. But mornings are tough for me. I hear the alarm, and it feels unfair.
I actually enjoy mornings. Everything is calm, the world feels soft. I like starting my day before things get busy.
See, that sounds beautiful. Meanwhile, I wake up like someone threw a bucket of water on me.
Let's talk about our first actions of the day. What's the first thing you do after you wake up?
Honestly, I stare at my phone. I know it's a bad habit, but I check messages, notifications, everything.
The classic scrolling instead of waking up routine. Very modern.
Yes, but after the scrolling comes the main event. Coffee. I can't function without it.
Same here. Coffee is my mood reset button.
I drink mine black, very strong. No sugar, no cream.
I drink mine with a little warm milk. It makes the morning feel gentle.
After coffee, I take a shower. A hot shower saves my entire morning. It wakes me up and makes me feel human again.
Same. And then the big question of the day, choosing clothes.
Ah, yes, the fashion battle.
I stand in front of the closet with 20 options and think, I have nothing to wear.
Meanwhile, I choose the same shirt I wore yesterday. I have no shame.
Daniel, no.
It's clean, usually.
All right, once we're ready, it's time to leave the house. How do you get to work?
Bus every day. And the morning bus is an experience.
Describe it.
People running to catch it, people squeezing inside, someone holding a coffee cup dangerously close to spilling, half asleep passengers listening to music. It's like a silent adventure movie.
That sounds familiar. I drive to work, which is peaceful until the traffic appears.
Ah, yes, the traffic monster.
Exactly. You move 2 meters, then stop. Move again, then stop. It's like slow motion driving.
On the bus, I try to use the time. I listen to English podcasts, music, sometimes audiobooks.
I listen to the news or calming music. It sets the tone for the day.
What's funny is that no matter how long the commute is, everyone in the bus looks like they're thinking the same thing. I want to go back to bed.
So we finally reach work. What's the first thing you do?
Sit down, turn on the computer, and brace myself. Then emails. So many emails.
Emails never end. It's like a stream of small tasks.
I respond, archive, read, respond again. Sometimes I think, did I sign up for this much reading?
What about your meetings?
Oh, the meetings. Some are helpful. Some are like puzzles we didn't ask for.
My workday is busy too. I communicate with a lot of people, explain things, make decisions, coordinate tasks. It's active but satisfying.
Do you bring your lunch?
Most days, yes. It saves money and time.
I buy lunch every day. Not proud, not ashamed.
What do you usually eat?
A sandwich from the cafe near the office. They know me now. They see me and say, the usual?
That's adorable.
After lunch comes the afternoon slump.
Oh, yes. Around 3 p.m., the energy level drops to 0.
My brain says, let's sleep. My work says, absolutely not.
I drink green tea or eat a small snack.
I eat something sweet. It gives me fake energy, but it works.
Do you ever take a short walk?
Sometimes. A 5-minute walk helps clear my mind. Fresh air is magic.
After work, it's time to go home. The best part of the day.
Yes, I take the bus again. This time everyone looks tired. But there's a quiet peace in that.
When I open the door at home, my dog, Toby, jumps like he hasn't seen me in years.
That's the best part of having a dog.
He brings so much joy. Even if I had a long day, seeing Toby makes me smile.
When I get home, my cat Luna slowly walks toward me like a queen. She looks at me like, oh, you're back.
Cats are hilarious. So much attitude.
After greeting Luna, I change into comfortable clothes.
Me too. I always feel like the day officially begins when I change my clothes.
Then I decide what to do next. Sometimes I cook, sometimes I heat something simple, and sometimes I order food.
What's your easiest meal?
Pasta. You boil it, you add sauce, and you feel like a chef.
I actually enjoy cooking. I listen to music and chop vegetables. It relaxes me.
After dinner, I clean the kitchen and then sit on the sofa with Luna.
I walk Toby. It's quiet outside at night, and sometimes I look at the stars. It's a peaceful moment.
That sounds nice. I usually watch a show or read before bed.
Let's teach more vocabulary about daily life.
Great idea. Let's expand the list. Get dressed, put on your clothes. Make the bed, arrange your blanket and pillows. Do chores, clean, wash dishes, organize, run errands, go outside to do tasks like shopping or mailing something. Wind down. Slowly relax at the end of the day. Stay up late, sleep later than usual. Set an alarm. Program your phone or clock to wake you up.
And some more useful sentences. I usually wake up early. I take a long shower. I prepare breakfast at home. I start working at 9. In the evening, I like to relax. Before bed, I read a little. These are perfect for everyday conversation.
Let's do an example conversation between two coworkers talking about their day.
Good idea.
Hey, how's your morning going?
It's good. I woke up early and made breakfast. What about you?
I overslept today. I rushed out of the house.
Oh, no. Did you drink coffee?
Yes, without coffee, I don't function.
Here's another example. Do you cook dinner at home?
Sometimes. It depends on how tired I am.
What do you like to make?
I like simple meals, like pasta or soup.
These simple dialogues help you speak naturally.
We talked through the whole day today. Morning, afternoon, evening, and night.
And we shared lots of phrases you can use to describe your daily routine in clear, natural English.
Now it's your turn. We'd love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what does your daily routine look like?
Tell us one thing from your morning, afternoon, or night.
Don't worry about mistakes. Practice is the most important part.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.
Thank you for learning with us today. We had so much fun sharing our routines with you.
Keep practicing, keep improving, and remember, small daily habits create big English progress.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone!